Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer money from a PayPal wallet to your bank account. So without further ado, let's just jump right to it. First of all, make sure you're logged into the correct PayPal account. For this presentation, I'm using a Sandbox PayPal account. The process is exactly the same, so it doesn't matter. Just hover your mouse to the wallet in the middle and click that. And you can see our balance is over here. And make sure our bank account is linked to your PayPal account. Now all you have to do is hover mouse to the transfer money and click that. And yes, it says transfer to your bank. So we'll be going with that. And now the account you linked is already present here. You can directly click that and just transfer it. But if not, you can also add the account from here. Or if it isn't present there, then you can choose this option. Either way, we'll go with this option, the standard fee, and next. And here you can add the transfer amount, the amount you want to transfer. So just type that 700 USD. That's what we're transferring. Next, and then you can edit the amount from here. But this looks good. All you have to do is transfer the money, like that, and there. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.